You can now easily recover recently deleted text messages on an iPhone using the new recently deleted feature inside of iOS 16. Now when you delete a text either on purpose or by accident, you have up to 30 days to restore it. Let's take a look at how to do it. Before we begin, you must be updated to the latest iOS version, iOS 16. To check your iOS version, just head into the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and tap General and then Software Update. If you haven't updated yet, you can then start the process here. Once you're on iOS 16 though, let's look at how you can recover recently deleted text messages. Start by opening the Message app and we'll look here at a text that I can delete. If you want to delete an entire message thread or an individual text itself, the process is the same. If you delete an entire thread, it'll recover the entire thing at the same time. You can delete a message thread by swiping to the left of the message like this. Tap the trash can and then confirm by hitting delete. If you want to just delete a single text message within the thread though, head into the message and press and hold onto the text that you want to delete. From the pop-up that appears, tap More at the bottom. You can then select the text that you want to delete, tap the trash can on the bottom left, and then delete messages. It will then remove just the ones that you've selected. Now if we want to restore the deleted messages, head back to the main message screen and then tap Filters on the top left. Inside of here, now at the bottom of the menu, we have Recently Deleted. Select that. You will then see a list of all the deleted text messages along with how much time there is left to restore. Like I said, you have up to 30 days to recover a deleted text. After that, the messages are permanently deleted from your account. To restore, just select the message and then hit Recover on the bottom right. You could also instantly delete the messages by tapping Delete if you want them removed permanently now. Tap Recover and then Recover Message. Once you recover the messages, you can then head back to the thread that it was deleted from and you'll see that it's now been restored. And that's how you recover deleted text messages on your iPhone using iOS 16.